Welcome to the Vodacom Access Management Solution app, also known as VAMS. This video will guide authorized personnel through the Vodacom Access Management Solution for operating an Abloy Cliq lock. Before any lock operations to a specific site, it is a prerequisite to create a corresponding site access request, referred to as SAR, in the Vodacom Access app. Please watch the training video about how to create and manage a SAR. Please note that once a SAR has been created, it is mandatory to use the Report Issue function within the specific SAR menu with 3 dots, which is located to the top right next to the SAR reference numbers. The Report Issue function enables reporting of vandalism, such as visible damages to the structure, equipment, and perimeter on site entry. Where such issues are encountered, the technician must also call CMOC to inform them of any loss or damage. To use the Vodacom Access app for Abloy Cliq site operations, the field technicians must ensure their phones have internet connectivity. In its absence, they need to go to a location where internet is available and click on the Enable Access button for all lock types. This button downloads all tokens and pins required for the various locks which the technicians might want to operate on the site. Once the Enable Access has been granted, the Open Lock button will activate and turn blue. When arriving at the site number of the SAR in the Vodacom Access app must correspond to the site number of the site being visited. Before operating an Abloy Cliq lock, the Cliq key must be paired to the technician's phone through the Vodacom Access app. Only one key per technician is permitted. Make sure the Bluetooth and key firmware are updated to the latest versions. To open the lock, the Open Lock button on the app must be selected, followed by the technician's personal biometric authentication. This will transfer the access tokens to the Cliq key. The technician can now use the Cliq key to open and lock the padlock for the next 5 minutes. If the technician requires to operate the key beyond the initial 5-minute authorized interval, then the technician must select the Open Lock button on the app in order to reactivate the key for another 5 minutes. Once the related work to the Abloy Cliq zone is completed, the technician must close the padlocks and remove the key. When the padlock is securely closed, the technician must then select the Stand Down button and provide biometric authentication to validate the transaction. After all work is completed on the site and all doors and locks are closed, the technician must confirm that the site is vacant and select the Close SAR button. The status on the Vodacom Access app will now show that the work on site is complete. All completed site access requests will be displayed under History and will be stored in a data vault for future reference and reporting. From beginning to end, each transaction in the Vodacom Access app, such as Enable Access, Open Lock, Stand Down, and Close SAR, require the technician's personal biometric authentication. These logs and audit trails provide personal protection for the technician and grant Vodacom management real-time monitoring of all these activities. Any violations of the Standard Operating Procedures, also known as SOP, will automatically alert the Vodacom Online Intelligence Platform. For additional support, please call +27 87 057 9838 or WhatsApp +27 724 782 326 or mail vcsupport@icrypto.com.